So here I'm just going to show you very quickly the settings page. Remember, you have the support page that you can always start a conversation if you have a question, search through all of their many helpful documents, and you can search by keyword. But you also can do so much. So when you open your app, you're going to come to this page. Just come down to support. Just come down to settings. Here you can change your own password, so you don't have to contact support for that. Here you can see how many of the licenses you have that you are using. If you want to add it to another computer, so this is my laptop and this is my desktop, and say I had another laptop. I don't, but say I did. I can just cancel that. I don't want to do that, but I would just cancel that. And then I could install it on my other computer. You don't have to contact support. If you have problems and it doesn't work, certainly contact support. And they're always available. They're amazing. But you don't have to contact them. I'm on a Mac, obviously. I'm not sure. I've never changed this. So I'm fine with the scroll bars. I do remember that there was some conversations on the Facebook page. So if you want to just make scroll bars visible or hidden, this is the default for Macs and it works perfectly fine for me. So I'm fine with that. I should probably have checked where we were talking about scroll bars, but it might have been in the studio, right? Like the studio would be one of them, the scroll bars on the side. I just use my touchpad and I go up and down. So I've never needed a scroll bar, but you can choose what your option is. I'm going to go back to settings. Here you can free up some disk space. Now I got more memory on my laptop that I bought a few months ago, so I haven't worried about that much. But if you want to delete any of this, you can free up disk space just by clicking that. The other trick that you can do, let me open this again, is once you are in here, say right here you can see to download. This one I've already downloaded. You can also click and delete anything that you want to just remove from your hard drive. And then when you want it again, you just download it again. And you can do that with any of the assets in the studio, your characters, your backgrounds, any of the shapes, emojis, anything in here. When you're in here, if you want, I had downloaded this, now I don't want that there, I can click on it and delete it. And you're perfect, and frees up that space too. Back to settings. The best thing that you can think about is the migration tool. This is perfect. If I want right here, I'm going to do this with you right now. I haven't done it for maybe a month. From this computer, I'm going to export. What this does, it's going to save all my settings. It's going to save my scenes. It's going to save any fonts that I uploaded, that I added to CreateStudio. It's going to save my presets of my 3D characters. Ooh, I haven't done it since then. I do want to do that. So I'm just going to export that and I'm going to just save it. You can see it's cut off a little bit. Up there we go. It's exporting. So that will depend. Oh, see, that was pretty quick. And I have quite a few scenes and things in my global folder, and I have a lot of fonts. So that was really quick. Now I can go to my desktop, come to my settings page, and import the file that was created for the migration. Super helpful, super easy. So I had been in the habit of just creating one of these as a backup, and I didn't even put it onto my desktop. I tend to use my laptop more, but I had it as a backup for everything that I had. So this is a great page. Check out your settings. Anytime you need any help, just go to support. They are super quick and very pleasant and helpful.